Did you know that rectal prolapse affects thousands worldwide, causing discomfort and impacting daily life? Fortunately, modern surgical solutions like Delorme's procedure offer renewed hope. I'm Dr. Abhay Chopada, a gastroenterologist and colorectal surgeon, here to guide you through the details of this innovative surgery. Let's explore how Delorme's procedure can transform lives. Rectal prolapse occurs when the rectum protrudes through the anus, often due to weakened pelvic floor muscles or chronic straining. Treatment options include Delorme's procedure, rectopexy, and transanal mesh repair. Each approach is designed to address unique patient needs, restoring comfort and function effectively. This minimally invasive procedure involves three key steps: excising the redundant rectal mucosa, plicating the rectal wall to reduce length, and reinforcing the pelvic floor muscles. Delorme's technique is a targeted approach, offering significant symptom relief with minimal recovery time. Advancements like robotic surgery, laparoscopic techniques, and improved imaging have revolutionized rectal surgery. These innovations provide enhanced precision, quicker recovery, and better outcomes, making procedures like Delorme's safer and more effective. The process begins with a detailed preoperative assessment to ensure readiness. The surgery, performed under general anesthesia, is followed by postoperative care, including pain management, dietary changes, and regular follow-ups to support optimal recovery. With a success rate exceeding 90%, Delorme's procedure offers reliable symptom relief. Hospital stays typically last 3 to 5 days, and patients generally recover within 6 to 8 weeks, regaining their quality of life and daily routines. Patients often report significant improvements in comfort and confidence post-surgery. Many return to their favorite activities, embracing a renewed sense of normalcy. These stories highlight the transformative impact of this procedure. Recovering. Embrace the simple joys. Enjoy soft foods like mushy peas. Drink water like a hydration champion, and turn your couch into a Netflix paradise. Remember, rest is key to bouncing back stronger. At Gastrosurgery UK, we combine minimally invasive techniques, advanced diagnostics, and personalized care plans to deliver superior outcomes. With expert consultation, you can access healthy recovery from Delorme's procedure. Here at Gastrosurgery UK, our qualified experts are available for consultation. Take charge of your health today